What if unlocking real understanding in your classroom was as simple as rethinking your questions? Bloom's taxonomy isn't just academic jargon. It's a powerful tool for guiding learners from surface knowledge to true mastery. Developed in the 1950s and still shaping education today, Bloom's taxonomy organizes thinking into 6 levels. Remember, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate, and create. Each level builds on the last, forming a staircase from basic recall to the ability to generate original ideas. Imagine asking students not just to memorize facts, but to explain concepts in their own words, apply theories to real-world problems, break down arguments, judge evidence, and finally, innovate with fresh solutions. For learning professionals, the impact is profound. Designing a training program? Use Bloom's taxonomy as a blueprint. Start with foundational knowledge, then craft opportunities for hands-on practice, critical comparison, and creative projects. Assessments become more than just multiple-choice quizzes. They transform into dynamic tools that measure deep understanding and real-world application. The key is intentionality. Instead of defaulting to rote memorization tasks, ask, how can we help learners think more deeply? For instance, after covering compliance rules, prompt your team to spot mistakes in case studies, or design their own best practice guidelines. This approach lights up different areas of the brain and fosters lasting skills. When you embed Bloom's taxonomy into your planning, you're not just teaching content, you're guiding minds through the entire journey from knowing to creating. The result? Learners equipped with skills they'll use for life, and a learning culture that values growth at every level.